Alright, this is Doug's Flightline Spitfire, right?
Yeah.
1600?
15 or 1600 millimeter wingspan, which I think is just a couple inches. So, like I was saying, I got this Flightline 5-foot wingspan Spitfire Mark 9. It's all weathered up. I spend more time weathering up than I did building it, obviously. And I've flown it many times. Had some issues. I had the flaps set up, actually not scale, which is I don't know why I go through all the bother of weathering it when I was slowing down the flaps. They actually dropped down immediately when they were deployed. But at any rate, I slowed them down, and I was coming in for approach on base and turned final and dropped a notch of flaps, and only one side of the flaps came down. And I learned later, I read in the blogs, that if you slow the flaps down with your transmitter, that occasionally only one flap will deploy. Needless to say, that was a hairy landing, and I managed to rip out one of the gears, trying to keep it level. I didn't know what was going on at the time, and I was so close to the ground that I didn't have much choice but to keep landing. At any rate, this morning we're going to film it in the air. Maybe do a barrel roll and a aileron roll and a loop, and then we'll come down and land.
Tell us about your firefights you had here.
Oh yeah, what I did in the course of weathering it, I wanted to put a few bullet holes in it, and I searched the web and YouTube on how to do bullet holes, and of course most of it was about plastic models. And then I came across these decals that you could buy, but looking at the decals, it looked like, well, I'd have to run to the hobby store, and then I didn't know what size they were, whether they would be appropriate for the scale. And I kept thinking about how to go about doing it, and I was searching through photos of real battle damage, and it looked to me like I could like maybe punch a little hole into the foam with I just used a drill bit, and you don't have to put it onto a drill, you just punch a hole in it, which I thought would be about the size of a bullet. And then I took a square of aluminum foil, and I put the dull side to the outside over the hole, and then I shoved the drill bit in, and of course that crumpled up the foil, and then I took the foil out and I trimmed it so that it would have the appearance of battle damage. So then I put it back in with a little CA, then turned around and put a dab of like some earth color paint on it, so it toned it down even a little bit more, and I thought it came really.
Yeah, it looks very good. The silver, was that just the foil, or did you put a little dab of silver paint also?
Well, what I did is I did add a little silver paint if I wanted to create a direction that the bullet hole made, or that the bullet hole had come from. If I hadn't trimmed the aluminum foil just right.
Right.
So having done that, I would add I'd add one of those Sharpie silver pens.
All right, got retracts with compression struts, it looks like.
Yeah, retracts with
split flaps on it.
Split flaps. Yeah.
Rear view mirror.
Rear view mirror. Yes, it's quite scale actually.
All right. Well, as soon as you get the battery charged, we'll get her in the air.
Look at this. Ooh, got a little light on there. How scale is that?
Oh, nice.
That little light that you see there comes stock as a strobe, and I've converted it such that I can switch it on and off. It was only used on the Spitfires at night for formation flying.
Give us a flap drop.
Flap drop, okay. The Spitfire only had one flap position. Full flaps, and they drop down. And that was it. But this bird's I've got it set up for 2 position of flaps. I've also, you notice the elevator has got a little bit of up. So when you drop the flaps on this, the plane tends to nose down. So we've got a little up elevator. All right, so controls, 3, and correct. Run up. All right, mag check. Let's taxi out here. Now, like the scale version of this airplane, I almost require full right rudder on the takeoff roll. So here we go. We got a little, just a tad of southeast wind, and checking all the switches. Everything's in the right position. Trims all look good. And here we go. Takeoff there, that wasn't too scale. So apologize for that. So let's go up and do a barrel roll to begin with. I use mid rates for that.
Gears are still down.
And I know I'm pretty high there, Dave, but
Your gears are still down?
yeah, I launched that gear as I mentioned before. And so I'm waiting for the new gear. Okay, here we go, barrel roll. Oh yeah, I did record the tail. Let's go do that again.
It's going to be way too far out to see.
I know. Let me bring it in. Let me bring it in there.
Time to stop. Time to start.
Okay, let's do a loop here. A little bit of an egg. Yeah, that wasn't a very good loop, but it's too far out, right?
Yeah, way too far out. It's only going to show up as a little dot. You got to get it. Keep it within like 100 feet at tops.
Okay, let's try it. Here on roll. A little bit closer. All right, I'm going to drop a notch of flaps here.
Take off flaps. Cruise mode. Time to start.
So I went to takeoff flaps. My cruise mode actually means landing. I haven't changed the voice on it yet. And let's see if we can do a full stop landing here.
Time to stop. Time to stop.
Oop, there went that same gear. Ooh. Have you epoxied that in or just hot glue?
No, I used Gorilla Glue on that.
Glue-Rilla, huh? And that wasn't a hard landing either.
No, it was.
That was not hard at all. I'm surprised that gear
No, that
popped
was
out.
because I didn't have it glued in good enough.